AI isn't just changing the world, it's creating the next wave of millionaires. The question is, will you be one of them, or will you be left behind? This is your roadmap to wealth and freedom in the AI era. Every day, someone is using AI to start a business, automate income, or dominate their industry, while millions are still scrolling, watching others get rich. If you don't learn how to use AI now, you'll soon be working for those who did. That's why I wrote this book with title, Empowering the Future with AI. This isn't another theory book. It's your guide to using real AI tools to build digital wealth, future-proof your career, and become an AI-driven entrepreneur. I've simplified what others overcomplicate, giving you the clear path to master AI and take control of your financial destiny. Here's the best part. For today only, you can grab Empowering the Future with AI at 60% off. Use the promo code CalWayne60 at checkout when you order now from www.calwayne.com and enjoy your exclusive discount. Don't wait. This discount disappears soon. Take action today. Your future self will thank you. Don't just watch the AI revolution, own your place in it. Click the link below, grab your copy now with our promo code below, and let's build your AI-powered future together. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Marketing Money Mastery for more strategies on using AI to build wealth and freedom. Visit the description box below for the discount link and my recommended AI business tools. See you below to order now.